Here we have a beautiful 2016 Buick Cascada Premium Convertible. Only has 43,000 miles on it. Very hard to find, very clean, and let's take a look. Does have a little blemish here, as you can see right in the body line. Any kind of imperfections we always like to point out to be completely transparent. Car comes with a 90-day or 3,000 mile dealer warranty, a full tank of gas as well. We have a full service department that every vehicle goes through, a full inspection. The inside is immaculate. Has power seats. Has the backup camera as well. Heated seats. Here it's heated steering wheel. There's the miles. Has the added safety features if you use cruise control. Has the collision avoidance, Bluetooth. And to get the top down, you will hold and press this button down to put all the windows down. And hold. That beep lets you know that the vehicle is secure with the top down. Let's take a look. There you are. Does have a couple little scuffs there on the bottom. On that side, very small. This vehicle is listed for $17,995. Visit us on our website, carstoremb.com, or give us a call, 843-650-2917. Thanks for watching.